Good evening. My name is DerekWatts, and I'm going to be discussing tonight with you about artificial intelligence and how it relates to management information systems. Before I get into the main chunk of the presentation, I am just going to discuss with you the objectives. So the first two are basically just definitions of what a management information system is and what is exactly artificial intelligence. Then I'm going to discuss how management information systems relate to artificial intelligence, followed by the benefits of artificial intelligence. Then I'm going to discuss the issues or disadvantages of artificial intelligence, more specifically the morality issues that come along with artificial intelligence, the solutions that I think would be to the moral challenge of artificial intelligence, and then a brief summary of the content that I discussed with you. So firstly, what is Management Information Systems, or MIS? Well, Management Information Systems is a computer system that consists of hardware and software that serves as the backbone of an organization's operations. Its purpose is to improve decision making, and it provides up-to-date and accurate data on organizational assets that include financials, inventory, timelines, personnel, timelines, and raw materials, etc. So what is exactly artificial intelligence, or AI? Artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science that's concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. It consists of related technologies that try to stimulate and reproduce human thought and behavior, and it includes thinking, speaking, feeling, and reasoning. So artificial intelligence generally falls within two broad categories, the first being narrow artificial intelligence, and the second being artificial general intelligence. So what is narrow AI, or narrow artificial intelligence? Well, it operates in limited context and is a simulation of human intelligence, but it's often focused on a single task that it can do extremely well. Narrow AI has experienced numerous breakthroughs in the last 10 years and have had significant societal benefits and have contributed to the economic vitality of the nation. This was an excerpt from a paper that the Obama administration put out in 2016 entitled "Preparing for the Future of Artificial Intelligence." So examples of narrow artificial intelligence include the simple Google search, image recognition software, Siri or Alexa. So Siri is what you would find on Apple products, and Alexa is created by Amazon, and self-driving cars. And as you can see in the image, I have a picture of a 2016 Tesla self-driving vehicle that was tested in that year. The next being artificial general intelligence. So what is it? Artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which is far more advanced than narrow artificial intelligence, is the type of AI that is portrayed in movies. And the most obvious example of that would be a robot. A machine that has general intelligence and can apply it to any problem and solve it. The concept of artificial general intelligence is not new, but over time, the difficulty in creating such a machine, with a full set of cognitive abilities, has not proved to be easy. As of now, we have not created a machine that can perfectly recreate human behavior and has cognitive abilities. Management information systems and how it relates to artificial intelligence. So the companies base their decisions on the data available from management information systems as it relates to the operations. Combining MIS and artificial intelligence will allow companies to make decisions that are more efficient and better. Artificial intelligence is able to translate data into customer trends and predictive models. The most obvious example that I can think about this is Amazon. So if you've ever been on Amazon, based on your purchasing habits, Amazon is able to predict what you might be interested in not only saving yourself time, but also increasing revenues for them. This is a part of the management information systems, also coupled with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can make decisions made reliable and efficient. Examples include companies in the medical field that collaborate their decision management systems with artificial intelligence for providing recommendations for treatment. So in this case, they are able to make better decisions for patients and better decisions for their own brand to increase efficiency and save time. So next I'm going to talk about a few benefits of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence has many benefits and advantages, and they include low error rates. Artificial intelligence has accuracy, speed, and precision. It's not affected by hostile environments, such as space or areas that would injure or kill humans. So basically, we are able to send artificial intelligence to places that humans might not be able to go or might have a chance of getting injured if they went there. Artificial intelligence replaces humans in repetitive or tedious tasks. So in the long term, this can save humans from different diseases or injuries resulting in repetitive motion. And it can make predictions on human behavior, such as purchasing habits, and again, I briefly discussed that as it relates to Amazon. So next I'm going to discuss some issues that are related to artificial intelligence and their disadvantages. So artificial intelligence comes with many issues, both morally and from a technological standpoint. Such issues include costs. AI can be very costly to build and repair and also to implement. Human dependency. So the perfect example that I can think of is a cell phone. Humans as a population have become extremely dependent on their cell phones, and many can't go 10 minutes without it. So they have become, in this way, reliant on artificial intelligence. Popular discussions. So is it morally acceptable to use artificial intelligence to replace human jobs or recreate human nature? This is something that is a widespread discussion across the globe, and something that I'm going to touch on in the next couple slides. So is artificial intelligence morally acceptable? Well, the answer to that is yes and no. Many people have opinions for, and many people have opinions against. When discussing the morality of artificial intelligence, 4 thoughts came to my mind. The first being unemployment. So what happens when artificial intelligence takes over human jobs? What do those people then do? The second, inequality. How does the wealth created by machines get distributed? This is something that has not yet been well discussed, and I'm sure will be over the next few generations. Humanity. Do machines affect human behavior and interactions? And the last being security. How do humans keep safe when they're constantly surrounded by artificial intelligence? So I came up with a solution to each of the moral challenges that I just discussed. So the first one was unemployment. And the solution that I came up with was guaranteed minimum income. So by increasing the access to education and training, individuals will have access to jobs that aren't being taken over by artificial intelligence, and this can help minimize the impact of job loss. The second one was human interaction with artificial intelligence. And the solution is ethical discussions before the technology is developed. So if we know the uses of the machines and how humans will partner with them, this will help humans as a general population build their trust in artificial intelligence. And the next problem was security. So the solution are safeguards. If we have the more powerful AI becomes, the more it can be used for ill intentions. If something goes wrong or AI ends up in the wrong hands, we can develop the artificial intelligence with safeguards to shut it down remotely. So in summary, artificial intelligence coupled with management information systems can change the way humans think and make decisions, both from a personal standpoint and from a business perspective. AI allows for rapid decision making and lower error rates, as well allows humans to stay out of harm's way when it comes to dangerous situations or processes. Artificial intelligence has many issues, most of which are surrounded by the topic of morality. Artificial intelligence has come a long way and will continue to shape the way humans think and interact with technological beings. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope you learned as much as I did when I was putting together this presentation. And as a side note, I would like to thank you for a great class. I learned quite a bit, and yeah, enjoy.